A very good morning, class 6th. I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So, class 6th, as you all know that we are doing the 5th chapter of civics, which is Panchayati Raj. And in our yesterday's session, we have discussed about the composition of the Gram Panchayat as well as the function of Gram Sabha. Furthermore, we have also discussed about who comes under BPL and who does not comes under BPL. And now, moving on for today's session, today we are going to discuss about the functions of Gram Panchayat as well as the sources of the funds for the Gram Panchayat. So now, let's begin with the session. So class, the Gram Panchayat meets regularly and one of its main tasks is to implement development programs. So now what happens? The Gram Panchayat meet regularly and the main task, or you can say the main work of the Gram Panchayat is to see the development programs that are taking place in the village and to see how much they have been completed or not, to approve by the Gram Sabha. In the sense, if there is a road development program that is going in the village, so it is a duty of the Gram Panchayat to see that how much this program has been implemented and how much the work is still left, and it has to be approved by the Gram Sabha what the work is done by the Gram Panchayat. When the road is built, the Gram Panchayat will tell that we have built the road to the people of the Gram Sabha, or you can say the members of the Gram Sabha, because we all know the main function of the Gram Panchayat is to implement various developing programs for the village so that the village can better develop and be better in the overall development of the village can take place. Now, talking about in some states, Gram Sabha forms communities like constructions and development communities. These communities include some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat who work together to carry out specific tasks. So now what happened in certain states, a proper community is being formed by the Gram Sabha to look over the work, like the community for the construction and development community. So they will form a proper community in which the members of the Gram Sabha as well as some members of the Gram Panchayat will be there, and they both will work together. They will discuss the various schemes, the various plans in order to bring the development for the village and how the people can be benefited. So you can see in certain states, the people of Gram Sabha and the people of Gram Panchayat, certain members work together in order to bring the development as well as welfareness for the people of the village. Now class, the work of a Gram Panchayat also includes the construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings and other common property resources. So class, the Gram Panchayat has to look the construction as well as the maintenance of the water sources, whether the water sources are properly managed or not, whether they are cleaned or not, and if they are not clean, it is their duty to make them clean, and furthermore it is their duty to build roads, to clean the drainage, to make the new buildings for the school, to provide proper equipments to the school and other resources for the people of the village, so that the village as well as its people get proper facilities and resources for them. Like next work, you can say collecting local taxes. So class, it is the duty of the Gram Panchayat to collect the local taxes by the people for the development also. So they collect the taxes also and levying also. Furthermore class, executing government schemes relating to generating employment in the village. So class, as you all know that there are various schemes that are launched by the government. So it is the duty of the Gram Panchayat to launch those schemes, or you can say to execute those schemes in the village also, so that the people can get benefits from those schemes, like generating employment schemes in the village, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao schemes. So all these schemes which is included, or you can say which is launched by the government, has to be launched in the village also, so that the betterment and the welfare of the people as well as the village can take place. Now talking about the sources of funds for the panchayat. So from where does the panchayat get its sources, we will be discussing. So class, collection of taxes on house, marketplaces, etc. So class, as we just have read that it is the Gram Panchayat who collects the local taxes. So they get their sources from the tax money that has been collected by them from house, markets, local places, etc. From certain government schemes, funds, records, from the various departments of the government, through Zilla Parishads and Panchayat also. So they get their funds from the government also, they get their funds from the various schemes as well as various government departments. They also get their funds from the Zilla Panchayat also. Furthermore class, donations for the community works also. So there are certain times donations that is given to them also for doing the community work. So they all are working together for a community, so they get donation from for this work also from the people. Now let's see what the Haridas Gram Panchayat was able to do. We have discussed the problems that was being discussed in the Gram Panchayat, and now we are going to see that what was the solution of those problems. So do you remember the options that were suggested to solve the water problem in the Gram Sabha of Hardas village? When the Hardas Gram Panchayat held the meeting, this point was brought up again by some of the members, that are the Panch. This meeting was attended by the Sarpanch, ward members, Panch and the secretary. So class, when there was the meeting of the Gram Sabha, people showed their concern for the water problem crisis. Now there is a proper meeting that is held by the members of your Gram Panchayat, that is the Sarpanch, ward and the secretary, and they are discussing the way out, the solution of this problem, that how we can solve this problem, what are the ways through which they can solve this problem for the people of Hardas village. Now the Sarpanch, the ward members, or you can say the Panch, as well as the members of the Panch and the secretary are doing a meeting, and they are discussing the problem and discussing the way out or the solution for this problem. Gram Panchayat members first discussed the suggestion to deepen 2 hand pumps and clean 1 well, so that the village would not go without water. Now the Gram Panchayat, they have discussed that they will open 2 more pumps and they will clean the wells for the better development and the water problems that can be solved. But they also felt that the money that is received for the maintenance of hand pumps could be used for completing the work. Now they felt that it is very important for the village to have water, and without water life is not possible. The Sarpanch said that the Panchayat has received money for the maintenance of hand pumps, and this could be used to complete this work, and the members as well as the secretary recorded the dissent. So we got to know that Sarpanch was in the favor to clean the hand pumps and to clean the well, to make new hand pumps, so that the problem of the water crisis can be solved. And all the members of the Gram Panchayat agree, and the secretary recorded the decision that was being made by the Sarpanch. Now the members then went on to discuss the option for a long-term solution. So class, the option that was given by the Sarpanch was a very short-term time, but for the future they went on to discuss that what in future if the same problem arises, then what we should do. So they are discussing a problem that should be clean for the future also, that the people of the village will not suffer in future. So they were sure that Gram Sabha members would ask the question in the next meeting. Some Panch asked whether the watershed program would make a sustainable difference. Now they were aware that the Gram Sabha, that the people of the village will ask the problems or will ask the solution, and they also felt that the watershed program would be best or can make the difference in the water level. After a lot of discussions, after they have discussed a lot, in the end it was discussed that the Gram Panchayat would approach the block development officer and get to know more about the schemes. So now after they have discussed about various resources or various conclusions, they felt like the watershed development program is best for them for the long term, and finally they all agreed, and now they are going to discuss to the block development officer, so order to get more and more information about this scheme. So now they are going to talk to the block development officer to get more awareness about this scheme and how this scheme can be implemented. So class, make sure to read till page number 47 of your NCERT book. Submit the work on time. Thank you.